Hi there, I'm Vicki Parpino from Aussie Stampers. Welcome to my channel. Now today I have a haul video of Stampin' Up punches. Now technically speaking I have had some of these punches for a while, so some I still am yet to use. They're still in their packets. So at least two of these are a real haul, but the others I decided I wanted to show you these because these are the punches that we'll be carrying over into the new catalogue. So let's have a look. Drum roll please. There are more than this that are carrying over. I don't have every single punch. I'm working towards it, but I don't have them yet. So I'll just go through them and show you what I have that I'm going to have carrying forward, and I'm going to be able to put these on my stamp shelf for the current products. Yay, this is great. Okay, first one is the scallop tab topper. And oh boy, I use this all the time. Absolutely love it. Great at Christmas time, I've got to tell you. This combined with this little guy here, the cookie cutter punch, is really great for making Christmas tags. Fantastic. And the other thing it's great for using with is this one here, which I think is called the Everyday Label. And I love this one. This is just gorgeous. Again, you pop that on a label this way and you've got a gift tag. Really fast, really simple, gets it done really quickly. Okay, this little beauty here is called the Duet Banner Punch, and this has a stamp set that coordinates with it. Oh, by the way, I better show you the coordinating stamp sets with these before we go any further. So this coordinates with the Cookie Cutter Christmas, and this is carrying over as well, so that's great. And if you turn your punch this way, it's going to create the reindeer head. So that's gorgeous. So Cookie Cutter Christmas is carrying over. Yes, great, wonderful, good to know. This one has a current stamp set that goes with it. There will be a brand new stamp set that coordinates with this new catalogue. I can't show it to you because it's the new catalogue and it's not out yet, but I can tell you what's going to continue. Now there's another punch that coordinates with this stamp set, and the stamp set that this comes from and coordinates with is Thoughtful Banners. So you can see those three will coordinate, and there's another one here which is called, I've only just recently bought it, the Classic Label Punch, which is this guy here that coordinates with the one down the bottom, and all these words are great. So there's another good punch. I'm going to keep that to one side because I want to talk a little bit about these two that I just bought that are new, so I'll put that to one side. Well, they're new for me. They may not be new for everybody else, but they're new for me. This is the Banner Triple, so you can create 1, 2, 3 different size banners by popping your cardstock in and creating a perfect flag on the end. And again, this is so useful. I use it all the time. And even if you've got a really thin strip of cardstock, you can put it through the back and then just, you know, line it up here, and it works really well. So that's another great one, the Banner Triple. And I have another coordinating stamp set, which is the Balloon Celebration, and there is another balloon stamp set that's also going to be carrying over, which coordinates with this, but this is the stamp set that I chose. I just love how cute this is. I use these a lot just as plain balloons, plain cardstock as well, and I've used these to punch out the little balloon in with little Maltese, just like my Maltese poodle. Okay. So that coordinates with Balloon Celebration and with the other balloon stamp set that Stampin' Up have out that I haven't purchased yet. Okay, and this little guy here, which is A Good Day, this is carrying over into the new catalogue. This will be, I haven't used this stamp set yet. And this coordinates with your circle punches, and there's a scallop circle punch. I don't have any of the scallop circles yet either, but that's what that coordinates with. Now I wanted to show you all the circle punches that I have. So we're starting off with a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inches, 1 3/8 of an inch, 1 3/4 of an inch, 2 inches, and 2 1/2 inches. Now you can make any size circle you want with these little babies. Aren't they great? I'm not sure if every single one of these circles will carry it through, whether they might have maybe lost 1 or 2 of these little sizes in here because they're very close together. But I love these. I use them all the time. I find circle punches to be really, really helpful because it's very hard to hand draw a circle. So they work great for a template for tracing around things if you want to draw a circle as well. And so when I do my illustrations, sometimes I'll punch out a cardstock circle and use that as my template. Works really well. Okay, now these little beauties here. We have this guy, and this is the Circle Tab Punch. And I purchased these two because I want to use these in my planner. I absolutely love my planner. This is the Stampin' Up! Love Today planner. Look, I made a cover for it, and I like the cover, and it's got a spine going, and it's got all these planner hacks. In fact, there's more than 25 hacks. I think I did a series of 4 of them. It's been a really popular series, and I have it in my playlist as 25 planner hacks. If you haven't seen it, I've done really neat things, like I've created this photo album inside. So I've used the refill kit as well as a single kit, and I've created all this stuff. Now I wanted to show you what I've done with my stamp set in here. Ta-da! So this is the tabs for everything stamp set. I store it right in here because if you have a look in my planner, I use my stamps. This is a little doodle, but these are 2 of the stamps. I use them all through my journal. See, I've got my shopping trolley going, I've got my little crown, I've got my my thumbs up for my YouTube. If you like this, please. Yeah, that's the way to go. Hang on, can I make that? Yeah, there it is. There's a thumbs up. That's really hard to do. Got to think backwards. And, you know, I use this all the time. So you can see how much use I just get out of my planner. I love it. So I knew that I wanted to get the circle tab punch to make some tabs to fit along the top and the sides of my planner. And I also wanted to get the classic label. So for instance, we've got something happening here. I can, instead of having this, I can write it on there and punch it out and then pop it in. How good is that? I'm just excited to see what I can do with that. And this is a little spoiler alert, but there is another planner coming in the new catalogue, and it's pretty much the same as this. So my tip to you is don't just get the planner, but get the refill kit, and you can do all these planner hacks. So that's a tip for you as well. So there's my not quite a brand new haul. 2 of them are brand new for me, so I've given you all the punches that I have. And as I said, there's a few more in the catalogue that I don't have that we'll be carrying over. There are 6 new punches coming into the catalogue. So there's 6 new ones that are not here that you haven't seen yet. So that'll be fun. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll come back with another haul video soon. I'm going to be doing some cards next. I'm going to show you some cards using Stampin' Up! Product. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.